It did not continue snowing much last night, but it is so beautiful. It's going to melt quick today with the sun and warmer temps, and tomorrow. And then Sunday on is rain and snow. I think Sunday morning, and today is Friday. I am headed out in my vehicle to go try and DoorDash and Uber Eats and Roadie for a while, and then we have another storm coming in a couple days. I'm gonna get out my steep driveway. It is Sunday morning and it is hailing. The ground's getting covered with white from the hail. There's still a tiny bit of snow around, but it all melted pretty much last couple days. But we have crazy snow coming tonight and the next day. So all morning tomorrow morning, Monday morning, it's going to be snowing, and all day and all night and all day Tuesday, I think. And I think it's trying to snow right now, actually. I was going to go to town and DoorDash, but I think it's trying to switch to snow right in front of me. It is. That's crazy. Yeah, it's trying to snow. It is snowing. Brr. This is crazy. It's hailing like crazy all of a sudden. Holy cow. Man. Whoa. It was hailing and then it was sun and kind of blue sky, and now it's hailing again. It's crazy. And then snow all tomorrow morning and all day tomorrow and the next night and all day Tuesday. And now again it's switching back to snow kind of. And it's 41 degrees. I was going to go to town now and go DoorDash for a while before I get snowed in tomorrow and the next day. This is getting more intense. I don't know if I should go. Looking at the forecast thing on the Weather Channel app, hour by hour, it's supposed to stop soon. Just an hour or so of rain. Man, it's building up on the car, on the windshield, and on the ground. Ground's turning white from hail. Or Grupal, it could be Grupal. Wish me luck. It's 5 in the morning, Monday morning, and I came outside. And it's a winter wonderland we're waking up to. There was no snow last night. And it is dumping snow. It's so quiet. This is crazy. This is going to become a problem for people, because it's just going to dump all night, or the rest of this morning. It's going to go all day, all night tomorrow night, and all day Tuesday. But it's going to be amazing. It's not that thick right here by the cabin, but it's getting there really quick. And I think it only started like an hour or two ago, probably. Man, oh man. We'll see what the later morning brings. But it's coming down good. And quick and smaller, powdery. And that'll build up quick. Bye. This is so crazy. It is just dumping snow. So awesome. I think this is going to be the big one. It is now 8:30 in the morning, and it is a winter wonderland out here. So much snow, and there's so much on the way. This is amazing. Beanie, we're out in the snow, honey. We're out in the snow. Oh, Beanie. Good girl. Go, Beanie, go, go, go. Beanie. Oh, this is amazing. I'm halfway up this hill, and Abigail and Grandma are all the way to the top. Hopefully I can hook all this up to the quad and we can go tow the big inner tube behind the quad. That's what I've always wanted to do. It'd be so fun. Beanie, is it snowing like crazy outside again? Beanie, I love you. It's snowing good again. So nice and cozy here in the cabin. We've been out playing in the snow all day. Oh, Beanie, I love you. So cozy in here. Beanie. It kind of got sunny and it was snowing and not snowing and raining and stuff kind of melted, but now the snow is coming back. It's going to go all night and all day tomorrow. It's amazing. It's coming down good now. Beanie, what you doing? Beanie. Are you so cute, Beanie? Is it a snow day today and tomorrow? Are you cute, Beanie? Are you cute? Aren't you gonna fall over so I can scratch your chin and cuddle? Nope. I love you, Beanie. Let's go see how it is out here. Ooh, it's coming down good. And big flakes. Man. It has been snowing and snowing and snowing. And it's supposed to snow all night, like I've said many times. And all day tomorrow. I hope this is going to be insane in the morning.